Today I'm going to show you how to use Claude for free, step by step, even if you're completely new to it. Claude is a powerful AI assistant you can use for writing, brainstorming, research, coding, and a lot more, and the free plan gives you access to some really useful features before you hit your usage limit. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to Claude in your web browser. You can do this on desktop, and Claude is also available on iOS and Android, so you can use it on the device that's easiest for you. Once the page loads, look for the sign up button if you're new, or click login if you already have an account. If you're signing up for the first time, follow the on-screen steps to create your account and verify your details. After you're signed in, you'll land inside the Claude interface. The next step is to start a new chat. This is where you'll type your prompts and get responses from Claude. To begin, click on New Chat if you see that option, or simply use the empty chat area if it opens automatically. Now type your prompt into the message box. For example, you could write a 500-word blog post about artificial intelligence for beginners. Then press enter, and Claude will start generating a response. You can keep chatting with Claude by asking follow-up questions, requesting edits, or refining the output until you get exactly what you want. If the answer is too long, too short, or not quite in the right tone, just keep the conversation going and guide Claude with more specific instructions. One important thing to know is that the free plan does have usage limits. That means after enough messages or activity, you may reach a cap for a while. Claude's free plan still gives you access to the web version, desktop access, mobile access on iPhone and Android, and helpful features like content generation, web search, file creation, code execution, and memory. But the free tier is more limited than the paid plans, so if you're only doing light or moderate use, the free version may be enough for you. If you do reach your limit, don't worry. You can either wait for the usage limit to reset later or upgrade to Pro if you need more messages and more room to work. The easiest way to get the most out of the free plan is to make your prompts clear and specific from the start. Tell Claude exactly what you want, what format you want it in, and any important details it should follow. That saves time and helps you get better results faster. So to quickly recap, go to Claude, sign up or log in, start a new chat, type your prompt, and keep chatting until you reach your free usage limit. Then either wait for it to reset or upgrade if you need more. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.